The pain, from a level of 1 to 10 is a 20. I said, it hurts so bad. My name is Mary Ann Klein, and I'm from Terre Haute, Indiana.
So Mary is a patient who came to me with really bad hip arthritis, really bad hip pains, really compromising her quality of life. And I think she was very apprehensive about having anything done. As many patients are, they're nervous when they realize that their arthritis has gotten to the end and they know that the only way to improve their quality of life is to have this surgery.
It's the difference between night and day. Everything there was so sterile and so new, so inventive. And there were things that they were doing there that even pre-op, that I had never seen or heard before. You have the surgery, you come home the same day, you walk with the walker for a couple of weeks, and then you're good. It's like it was before.
So Mary is a fabulous patient. So first of all, it's great to have people who actively participate in their care. It's another thing to have a personal connection with them, that you played baseball with her son and she can bring back memories. But what keeps my day great every day is seeing a patient like Mary come back and a big smile on her face that we made her life better. And so that was awesome to see yesterday. Michael Meneghini, I'm a hip and knee surgeon, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Indiana Orthopedic Institute.